Well, hello everyone. There is a new K-pop crew in town called Cortis, and they just released a new song called Go, and that's what today it's about.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
Okay, so you want to start going in with your knees like this, boom. Okay, knees in, boom. Cross your hands, boom, fingers out here. So, and this is on 8. Okay, so 8. One more time, in with your knees, 8. And then here, you're just gonna open, stretch out, and that's your 1. Bring it back in, out, and down and up. Yes, that's the first 4 counts. So 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All right, now with the legs, I go in 8, out on 1, 2, no, 1 and. Okay, so you just go out with your toes, boom, boom. Step, step, up, click. Yeah, so it goes slow, in with your knees, out with your heels, bring it back. Lift your right heel, switch to the left, come up with your knee and hit. Yeah, and that's the first 4 counts. Let's put it together with the hands. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Notice here when I push, I move a little bit to the side. Shoom. Shoom, click, click. Okay, so that's the first 4 count. Let's do it slow. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right, let's continue. From here, I'm gonna lift my left leg like this, bam, 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 and then switch to the right, bam, bam, bam. So just go up, 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 up. At the same time, you can either twist it up like that, or just jump. You choose. So I'm just gonna jump. Okay, so this is gonna be 5 and 6, and switch it up 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up and up. Switch up and up. Yeah, let's put it together from the start. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes. At the same time, when you're here, you're gonna pull a little bit down like this. Bam, bam, switch, bam, bam. I forgot that detail. All right. So pull it down. Okay. Good. Let's move on to the second 8. So you were here, 7, 8. I'm gonna just step out, 1. Open your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So basically I'm going on the right and then open left. So right, left, left, hit to pull here, hit, turn. At the same time, your legs goes up and turn in. So boom. Yes, hands. Side, open, side, hit. With the count, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah. Again, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4. You can land here back on 5 to move on to the next part, to go jump, twist, jump, twist. So basically, step front with the left, give it a little twist, and switch, right, twist. Yes, but you jump at the same time. 5 and 6 and actually it's 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. You land on 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, slower. So jump, boom, clip and switch it up, boom, clip and collect. Hands gonna be here. First with your right, and then you switch with the left, and then you collect open here. Yes. Fingers out the way you like it. Okay, so we did 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yes, that was for the second 8. So let's take it slow again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Let's move on to the third part. To the third 8. Okay. So with here, hands are going around, 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 around. Very simple. So we're gonna start with the right. Stretch it, bring it back, and then the left. Stretch it over, bring it back. Boom, para pa, boom, para pa. And it goes like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so you do it for 1 time 8. You repeat. Okay, now the legs. I'm jumping out on my left first. So left, right, collect. Left, right, collect. Okay, so boom, boom, ba. Boom, boom, ba. And then I switch. Right, left, collect. Okay, so just the legs. 7 and 8. Left, right, collect. Right, left, collect again. Boom, boom, bam. Hit, boom, boom, bam. With the hands, slow. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This part is kind of easy, right? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right. And then last count. We're doing this move again, but this time starting to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna freestyle, do what you like. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's review everything from the start, okay? On the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's try one more time, maybe even slower. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that was Cortis Go.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.